When Sarah started this journey 30 days ago, she felt like her body was a museum of old aches. When she looked in the mirror, she didn't see energy or joy. She saw tiredness, mystery breakouts, and a heavy balloon belly. Her stomach was stalled, her liver was a congested laboratory, and her sleep was a zombie wasteland. She felt completely powerless to stop it. Sarah was stuck, but what she didn't realize was that her body wasn't failing. It was screaming for a different language. Today, we look at Sarah's incredible 30-day odyssey. We are integrating all the tales: the gut, the liver, the sleep, and the fire. This is the gut glow transformation, and it's time to reclaim your power. Week 1, the mechanical resync. The first 7 days were not about superfoods, they were about rhythm. Step 1 was the 30-bite rule. By liquefying her solids, she activated her mechanical digestion and sent an enzyme army into her gut. Simultaneously, she introduced the green tip secret. The resistant starch from a slightly underripe banana bypassed her stalled engine. By day 7, the balloon belly vanished because her mechanical and biological engines were finally talking to each other again. Week 2, the liver awakening. The gut was moving, but the morning fog remained. Sarah needed to wake up her master alchemist, the liver. Her ritual was the lemon morning flush. The citric acid acted as a biological key, triggering the release of bile. Then she used the turmeric seal with black pepper to seal the leaky gut wall at the source, preventing new toxins. She had cleaned the filter. Now she could fix the flood. Week 3, the night shift activation. To truly glow, she had to enter the deep shift. We introduced the kiwi catalyst at 8 p.m. to preload her gut with serotonin. Then she used the golden reset, warm golden milk to steady her blood sugar and silence the 3 a.m. anxiety spike. For the first time, Sarah didn't pass out. She cleaned out. Her brain went through the glymphatic power wash. She woke up at 7 a.m. for the first time in years, not just rested, but sharp. Week 4, the structural reconstruction. The fire was out. The pain was gone. But her foundation was weak from years of burning. The final week was about endogenous synthesis. She introduced the Golden Bio Bandage homemade 24-hour bone broth. She paired it with a raw vitamin C catalyst. That synergy created the biological glue that lifted her skin and armored her joints. Day 30, the integrated glow. This is the new Sarah. This is the woman who reclaimed her biological power. This isn't just health. It's an integrated radiance that starts in her second brain and is reflected in her eyes. Are you ready to see your radiant self in the mirror? The odyssey is complete. Your story is just beginning. Comment glow below and I'll send you the 30-day integrated roadmap. Tell me your starting point in the comments. Welcome to the Gut Tales.